Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word fellow. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I met a fellow student in my economics class who shared my love of foreign films. In this sentence, fellow refers to a person who is the same as or similar to the speaker in terms of being a student in the same class and sharing interests. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.